What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to do a little vlog for you guys. We were just at Veg Out in Scottsdale for the last 2 days, chilling with everybody that came to visit us. Thank you to everyone who came out. It was so much fun meeting everybody. We are also going to be at Veg Out in Portland August 10th and 11th. And the other event that I'll be doing this year is Chef AJ's Ultimate Weight Loss event. I'll be doing my first speaking gig there, just talking about my weight loss story and how, you know, I lost 70 pounds on a plant-based diet. Anyways, I'm about to hit the gym right now. I'm gonna do a lower body workout, so I'll show you guys that. Keep in mind, I'm still kind of a beginner. I really only got very consistent with my weightlifting since January, so my weight has kind of been like up and down and up and down and up and down because I'm trying to gain muscle, and I feel like after you lose so much weight, like it's actually very hard psychologically for me to see the scale go up. So I've really been trying not to like weigh myself and just focus on progress pictures and measurements, because my goal for this year really is to get a lot stronger in the gym, and I know to do that I'm gonna have to actually gain a little bit of weight. So I've been also experimenting with more like mock meat recipes, which has been fun for me because I've never really made anything like that, and just making a lot of like high carb, low fat dishes, I really ran out of like recipe ideas. So I'll show you guys some of that later, but let's get to the gym. So just to do a little body update, like I said, I have gained a little bit of weight, which I'm hoping is muscle. I'm going to be doing a bod pod test soon, and I've noticed like my legs have gotten so much more muscular, and my butt is growing a little bit. I know. It is slow progress, guys, like seriously. Yeah, this is what I look like right now. Like I said, a little bloated from the junk food this weekend. I'm not a perfect person. I have fat on my body, guys, like for real, let's be honest here. And my butt is still flat AF, but I swear you guys will see me in like a year and I will have a nice booty. I will. So just a little gym outfit, since you guys always ask me where my stuff is from. Sorry, my cats are just like trying to get into the bathroom right now. But this shirt is from Vegans Rock Apparel. I really like it because it's super lightweight, so it's great for Arizona or like the summer if you want to wear a little sweatshirt. I also have like tank tops from them, and my friend Jeff, this is his business, and he's one of my really good friends. You can see this fabric is just super lightweight. But this is my friend Jeff's business called vegansrockapparel.com. I'll put the link in the description box. And if you use the code HighCarbHannah, you can get 20% off if you guys like anything. I'm not an affiliate or anything. He's just one of my really good friends. So he gave me a discount code for you guys. But I like it just because it's super, super lightweight. It's really good fabric that like holds up really well. And it's just perfect fabric for the gym. It's kind of cool today, so I'm wearing this one. He's also got a bunch of these little tanks. I'll just try it on really quick. So he's also got a bunch of these little crop tanks that are just really super, super lightweight. I also get tons of questions on my leggings, so I got really into buying Lululemon. These are the Aligns. They're my favorite. They honestly feel like you're wearing a second skin. And I know that these are expensive leggings. I'm not sponsored by this company at all either. They're just my favorite leggings. I'm obsessed with them. So I have Aligns in 3 different colors, and then I have some Wonder Unders as well. Also, sorry about the way that my voice sounds today. I literally like lost my voice from talking to people all day for 2 days at Veg Out, so that's why I sound like this. with the gym sesh. I swear every time I like don't go to the gym for a few days and then I go back, it's like the hardest thing ever. I had to run into Walmart and get some stuff because I'm going to try these Senna meats that they gave me at Veg Out. There's a restaurant called Senna Vegan in LA, and they have the most amazing mock meats, and they're really good like macros and stuff, so I'll show you guys them. So I just got some Roma tomatoes, avocados, limes, tofu. I had to get Derek some more witch hazel, and then a few kombuchas. I'm gonna make some pico de gallo. I already made cashew sour cream. I'm making black beans in the Instant Pot, but I put those in before I left, and then I'm gonna put like all this stuff together, so I'll show you guys. Okay, so these are the meats that I was telling you guys about. Plant-based meat that's seitan. Well, they're all seitan. This one is pollo asado and then carne asada. I think today I'm gonna make the pollo asado. What I love about these though is the macros on them. So for 110 calories, there's 18 grams of protein, 1.5 grams of fat, just super low fat. They use barely any oil in the ingredients. I think you can buy these online at sennavegan.com if you're interested in buying them. I don't know. They just gave me these for free, and these two I know are totally legit amazing. I had them in burritos, tacos, and then we also had them on nachos, but I'm gonna put this one, I'm gonna try to make like a chipotle burrito bowl. So I just cooked some black beans. I'm gonna make some pico. I have cashew sour cream that I made, and then I'm gonna put it like all in a bed of greens. I feel like you guys would appreciate this. I started actually using like meal prep containers too. So I had some meal prep that I did last week, and I had extra lettuce, so I just put that in there for now. But I found these in our garage and I'd never used them before, but I'm gonna meal prep 2 extra ones. So I'm gonna make a bowl to eat now, and then I'm gonna put like the pollo asado in here and black beans in here with some pico, and then it just makes it so easy to like grab this out of the fridge, and I have lunch basically made already. But yeah, I've been using these a lot lately because I really love being really organized. So I love how there's little compartments in here, and I always just fill this one up with greens, and then I'll have, you know, some type of protein, some type of like vegetables, or I'll fill this up with vegetables. And I like having everything separately, and I love having everything already made. It's been great. When we were at Veg Out, I didn't want to eat junk food all day, so I brought kelp noodles with me and a ton of veggies, and I put tofu in here, and then I had peanuts and cilantro in here, and I made like a peanut sauce, and I just would mix it all together, and it was just a really healthy meal to have with me when I was at an event. Here's my little meal prep. I'm not actually gonna eat this right now because I actually feel like making a smoothie, but this meat is so good, you guys. You can see it. It tastes kind of like a fajita style chicken. They make it actually with mesquite wood, which is the trees that grow all over our property. So I was telling Derek we need to make some wood chips so that we can make stuff with the mesquite wood and the flavor in it. So good. So I'll probably just save this for dinner. I'm gonna make a protein smoothie, probably just with this protein powder that I always use. I just get this stuff off Amazon. I like the vanilla. I don't like the cacao one. I bought the cacao one. I don't like it. But I think I'm just gonna do berries, bananas, and then some of this. And then I have bought a bag of oranges, so I'm gonna juice all those oranges so that I can make mango orange smoothies with it the rest of the week. So good. If you guys have never tried to blend together frozen mangoes and orange juice, it's the best thing ever. You can even put like spinach in there. That's what I usually do. So amazing. So I'm gonna prep all that, and I have to go to the garage to get my juicer. So I have to show you guys the garage because you haven't seen the garage in a while. Look at our garage, you guys. Derek's putting in the motors right now for the garage doors. So we have 4 garage doors, and there's just so much space in here. 4,800 square feet of garage. All my furniture I bought is safe now. People are always asking us why we built such a big garage. Honestly, I don't really know, but it's nice to have a lot of space to just store stuff, to be able to put our tractor away, like out of the sun, because it's a red tractor and sooner or later in the Arizona sun, like it would turn pink. Derek's we're gonna build a podcasting studio in here. There's also going to be a shop for him so that he can do woodworking and stuff. I want to get a pottery wheel to start making pottery. I have a space now to make my candles. We're also gonna have probably a gym over here. We're gonna build a second story to this garage, believe it or not. So we'll have that. And then the part that makes it even bigger is that if we go outside this door, if I can open the door. This is a huge lean-on, will be a massive greenhouse all on the side of this garage. I'll be able to grow trees in here. Tropical trees that don't normally grow here. This thing is super tall. It's probably 15 feet tall, if you can see that. And we can grow avocado trees in here. We can grow mango trees in here. We could grow pretty much whatever kind of tree that we can grow in a pot that will produce fruit. And then people are always asking us about our house. So you probably can't see, but our tiny house is right there. And then our garage is here. And then our other house is going to be right down there. So we'll have a nice view over the mountains. And I think Derek is actually going to be doing a video where he shows you guys our house plans. It's going to be a 2,300 square foot normal house that we're having a contractor build for us. It's super big, it's super open, it's beautiful, it's going to be really modern and white. But we're having a contractor do it just because after Derek did this garage, he was like, I am never building anything ever again because it's so much work. And for us to build a house ourselves, it's not worth the mess ups, because if you mess something up, it costs a lot of money. But our house still is going to be on rainwater. It's still gonna be off grid. And then we only have half the ceiling done, but they're gonna be doing the other half. They're just waiting for a trim piece, and then we'll be done. Yes. On the burrito bowl, we got the rice, the cashew sour cream, a little bean corn mix, and then the pollo asado.